to my channel. Welcome to my new vlog. If you're new, hi. My name's Nicole. I post vlogs, hauls, makeup tutorials, so if you like any of that, please subscribe. And we're on our way. We're at the mall. Huh? Say hello. Hi. Huh? Hmm? Hi everyone, so we just got home. We were at the mall for 5 hours. I am extremely exhausted. I got some stuff from H&M, and then I also got, oh, let me show you. Duh. I got some Krispy Kreme. I obviously, it's super dark outside. I obviously got the coffee glazed donuts because can I just say, you guys, I think I mentioned it before, but you know I don't like donuts, but I do like coffee. So I'm gonna try this out, see how it is, and then we'll take it from there. Let me show you the ones that I did get. It's so dark here. Hold on. There we go. So I got 3 different flavors. I got a coffee glazed one, peppermint crisp tart, I think, and then the Nutella one. I should have got the Ballon one now that I think about it. Ooh, I like the Nutella one because the taste of the donut kind of gets lost in all of the hazelnut stuffing. I'm hoping it's the same story with that. And then this one was literally just purely because I really enjoy peppermint tarts. Here's the H&M stuff. You will be seeing it in an upcoming try on haul. Okay, you guys, so I brought you along my day today. Today was crazy hectic. The baby's sick, so he was super restless. He didn't want anyone else carrying him but me. Like, it was crazy. I definitely intended to get more content than I did, but I couldn't. I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah. Morning everyone. I'm still not 100% okay. It's been like a week now. I'm kind of concerned about that. My throat started flaring up again yesterday, but I wasn't feeling 100 again yesterday as well. I was super excited to go to the mall. I've been waiting for like a week, so I didn't want to not go. So Hi, baby. So I have the 2 bags over there. A haul is coming really soon. But we're going to the mall. I need to go find some hairpiece because I want to plait my hair. That is extensions for other people. That is what we call extensions. So that's what I'm getting. Hi, everyone. So we just got back from the mall. We went to Cradlestone and then we went to the Cotton On outlet and then we went to Pick and Pay clothing. I got one thing from the Cotton On outlet and one thing from Pick and Pay clothing. You'll see it all in the haul that's coming up. I haven't filmed it yet, but it should be coming up soon. Went to Mr. Price at Cradlestone to go try on those shoes that I really liked. I saw them in Jess's vlog. And they have my size, but the ankle, the slit thing, doesn't fit around my thick ankle. So the strap across the toes is that plastic material, that clear stuff, and then the ankle strap is the same material. So there's no stretch in it, and there's no like elastic part by the buckle. Like the shoes normally have like a bit of an elastic by the buckle to like pull it. These don't have any elastic. They're not stretchy. It's like tough plastic. They're so cute on. I was literally like living, but it wouldn't close around my thick ankle. So that's fun. Also, I'm about to have some watermelon. I've been craving this for so long. I'm so excited. And then what else? We went to Ackerman's to go get a hairpiece, which is just extensions. And before lockdown and everything, it was 40 bucks. Now it's 67 rand something for one packet. Is that insane or is it just me? Because I distinctly remember buying from Jumbo and each packet was 25 bucks. 25 bucks. I know that the prices have increased, but I don't think it's 100% increase at Jumbo. Whereas at Ackerman's, it is 100% increase. So anyway, we didn't get them. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch some TV and have my watermelon. Hi everyone, so we are on our way to Clearwater. I'm hoping to get the soap, my face soap, which is the, Black African Magic, something like that. And then just one packet of those long cookies, like those cookies that have many cookies inside. And then that'll fill up the box. I will show you the box at home. It's filled with cookies. And you'll probably only see this after next week, which is when she's coming. So yeah, we're on our way now. Let's go. Hi everyone, so we just got back. This is the only reason why I went to the mall, to get this to fit in the box. I'll show you the box when I get upstairs. But at Pick n Pay they had these on promotion, 5 of them for $50, which is great. And then I got a box of oat milk, Fanta pineapple, and the African black soap. Native Child, they have it at Ackerman's. Apparently they also have it at Pick n Pay. But the Crafters Market shop, their name changed to Lemonade now, and they don't have any stock of it in any of their shops. So check Ackerman's if you're interested. Hi everyone, so it is the next day. We are about to leave to go to my sister's place, but I need to create a thumbnail for my video. I also need to premiere the video so that it's up and ready. So that yeah, I don't even have the pictures yet, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have a little shadow here. He's come out. It is October. It's the 2nd of October, so he's a day late. But he's out and he's next to his pumpkin friend that's filled with candy. So yeah, let me get these pictures for the vlog, and then I will see you guys on the way to my sister's place. Yay! You set that car up.
Yeah, me.
Stacy. Beep beep. Hi everyone. So we're at my sister's house right now. It's kind of chilly actually, but we're about to leave soon. She's just cooking. We're gonna go home. It's movie night. I don't know what we're watching. So yeah, that's the end of today. I don't know if I have enough footage for an entire vlog. Hopefully I do. I have to put it into the computer and check it tonight, but if not, I'll have to continue this vlog tomorrow. But yeah,